Defence Minister Rajnath Singh unveiled the first Tejas LCA Mk1A fighter jet from Hindustan Aeronautics' new Nasik production line. He also inaugurated a second production line for the HTT-40 trainer aircraft at the same facility. As many as 208 Naxalites from the remote Mad region surrendered in a ceremony held at the Reserve Police Lines at Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh's Bastar district. They surrendered 153 weapons including 19 AK-47 rifles and 17 SLR rifles. The BJP-led government announced a new cabinet in Gujarat. Harsh Sanghvi was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of the state. Governor Acharya Devvrat administered the oath of office and secrecy to 21 ministers in a ceremony held at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar. The Election Commission today held a meeting with heads of enforcement and security agencies in New Delhi to combat the movement of cash, liquor and drugs during the Bihar Assembly elections. The Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of rising digital arrest scams, directing the centre and CBI to respond. The scams involve fraudsters posing as officials to extort money, often targeting vulnerable senior citizens across India. Odisha Crime Branch arrested 4 more individuals including alleged mastermind Munna Mahanti for allegedly leaking the question papers for the Public Sub-Inspector SI written examination. The syndicate operated from Bhubaneswar charging Rs 20 to 25 lakh per candidate. The Council of Higher Education CHSE in Odisha is likely to conduct the annual Plus 2 board examinations for the 2025-26 session from February 15 to 25 next year. The Odisha government signed a statement of intent with Niti Aayog and the Sustainability, Employment and Growth Foundation to jointly work for the implementation of a landmark clean energy transition initiative in the state. Migratory birds have begun arriving at Odisha's Chilika Lake, marking the start of the annual winter spectacle. The wetland sanctuary welcomes thousands of winged visitors, offering a vibrant display of biodiversity and seasonal beauty. Australia crushed Bangladesh by 10 wickets to secure a semi-final spot in the Women's World Cup. With 9 points from 5 matches, they now led the tournament standings, showcasing dominant form and title ambitions.